Hello, welcome to CNY Weathertainment Weekend Edition. I'm meteorologist Jeff Matthews. I have to encourage you big time. Get on board. Twitter, Instagram, Tumblr, all the same name, CNY Jeff Matthews, making it nice and easy to remember. Same for live stream. Just download the app, search Jeff Matthews, follow. You get free forecasts at 5:55, easy to remember. Periscope at 6:05. We do a little Q&A after a brief weather segment as well. I'm telling you, this takes us worldwide, but we're going to be going nationwide soon. I'm not making this up. We are acquiring two sources of funding that look like it's going to wind up taking Weathertainment to a whole new, not even a whole new level, a level that you haven't seen before. So obviously we're on the cutting edge with live stream and Periscope doing live streaming weather. It's not just going to be for central New York, it's going to expand beyond the state boundaries. It's getting so big, in fact, in my mind that I'm sitting here thinking, oh my gosh, when the funding comes through and we move it forward, how am I going to be able to get all of this done? It's that big. I'm serious. And we want you on board. We want you to follow. We want you to spread the word. Get on board any way you can. 39 is the average high. It's sinking 45, 42, 40 for the weekend and Monday, and then warming back up for Tuesday and Wednesday. You can guess if there's a storm in there, it's headed to our west, which means wet, not white. Meanwhile, skies are going to be clearing up for Saturday, turning cooler, dry right on through Monday, and then Tuesday's another question, and then snow showers in the forecast for Wednesday afternoon. Meanwhile, high off the coast, front moving through as we speak. High pressure building in behind it. That's a typical sequence. You get alternating pressure systems. Tail end of the storm, though, this part is going to be growing into our Tuesday storm that will be affecting us. Look underneath at the water vapor imagery. Clearly there's a front in here. Clearly the winds in advance of it are what boosted the temperatures up into the 60s for Friday, because you can see the flow is from southwest to northeast. The northern part of the front is pushing through the area. It'll take the Saturday morning for skies to clear up, but by afternoon it should be bright. That chunk of high pressure coming from Canada means it'll be colder but dry. But then the tail end of this frontal boundary forms a new storm. Meanwhile, you can see from 2 days ago that front developing. From a day ago, you'll see it moving into the area, but notice the tail portion of it still lagging way behind the northern part of it. So that's going to wind up forming a new storm, moving to our west, which is wet but not white. But by Wednesday afternoon and evening, the winds around it may create some lake effect for your Wednesday night. Meanwhile, back up to the weekend. The front that pushed the showers through overnight Friday night into early Saturday morning. The clouds lingering Saturday morning will be clearing up thanks to high pressure coming in from the northwest. That high will dominate Saturday night, Sunday, and Monday as well. And then eventually it'll move off the coast and give way to that storm moving up to our west. Here's your almanac. I said 59. Look what it turned out. 67. And I can tell you, that is so far out of normal for November that I doubt I would ever forecast a high that warm, no matter what the computer models said or didn't say. But in any case, that was the high. I'll have your forecast in a moment.
I'm Kevin. This is Danny, and this is Zoe, and we love our CNY Weathertainment.
Here we go, clearing up for a bright Saturday afternoon, a high of only 45 after the 67 on Friday. For Saturday night, mostly clear, colder. Look at that, low of 22. Sunday, chili con carne. I love my chili con carne. Could use it because it's going to be a chilly day, high of only 42 degrees. And still cold into Monday. Look at the low Sunday night, 21. Monday sunny, 40. Cold night. Tuesday, clouding up, rain later in the day and at night. And then it'll briefly clear out by Wednesday morning, but only to cloud up again for snow showers from the lake Wednesday afternoon and evening for a cold day on Thursday. That's your 7-day forecast. Make it a great weekend.